Go.
What the hell is even that? Why do we have gloss showing? What's going on, guys? Kyle from Xclusive Autoworks here with another project. Behind me we've got a Mercedes AMG that we're removing full Stealth PPF that was installed by another installer. It's got a few pain points here and there, a little short, got some edges showing. He also had some damage on the front bumper, so the front bumper was partially repainted. So we are going to be removing all of that film and redoing everything. Yeehaw. So the front bumper was repainted, and the customer has opted to just redo everything. There's a lot of pain points here on the current PPF. There's a lot of gloss showing, short edges, just stuff that he's not overall happy with. We did not do the original install. Wasn't us. So we're removing it and reinstalling it properly. So we're gonna show you a few of the short points here, stuff that we try to avoid. We've got like exposed edges here, and we'll show you more around the vehicle. But we're trying to avoid that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be removing all the PPF using both hot water and steam to minimize the amount of glue that gets left behind, because that's the real pain in the ass. So we will show you most of that process, and then we're going to go ahead and get prepping. And there you have it, guys. We've got a fully wrapped Stealth AMG 55 GT. We've got everything from bumper to bumper completely stealthed out. We did full disassembly on the mirrors. We took all of the badges off to get rid of any of those edges that he had previously that he was unhappy with. We also topped it off with CarPro Skin to make it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. And we'll give you a couple shots of a walk around of the car right now.